Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain good food app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about the good food app, the good food app is a great tool for anyone who loves cooking or wants to keep more creative in the kitchen. It gives you access to thousands of recipes, meal plans, step-by-step cooking guide, and a handy cook node that makes following instructions simple while you cook. You can also save favorite, create shopping list, and enjoy an ad-free experience if you go for the subscription, making it both practical and inspiring. On the downside, the subscription price can feel a bit steep, especially if you only cook occasionally. Some users also report glitches like saved recipe disappearing on the app crashing, plus synchronization across devices isn't always smooth. So in conclusion, if you cook regularly and enjoy trying new recipe, the good food app is definitely worth using, but usually cook might not find the subscription worth of the cost. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.